compare the two companies. Okay, I'm going to put a little line right here to divide them. And let's talk about Kalkurama first. If I look at their graph is linear. If I look at maybe the slope of that, it's got a constant slope of 0.5. So they have increases at a constant rate. (0.5). If we think about the equation up there, that 0.5, that first number, 0.5 is the slope. So slope is 0.5. And then what are we doing with that 5? That initial value of 5 is being added on to that 0.5t. So a 5 is added. And then if I look at the graph looks like a line. Graph is a line. And now if I think about Computafest, this one is exponential. And in this time, instead of increasing at a constant rate, it's increasing at a constant ratio. Ratio of 15%. Well, actually, so the ratio would be 1.15. If I think about the equation, right, that constant ratio of 1.15, that was the base of the exponent up there, which is the base of the exponent. That initial value of 2, instead of being added like it was over there in the linear model, it's being multiplied in the exponential model. And then if I turn my attention to the graph, it's a curve. So graph is an exponential curve, which is going to increase slowly at first, but then rise faster and faster each time. Slowly at first, quicker over time, more quickly over time.